Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top New Collection RC Motorcycle Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
2-in-1 Land and Air Mode RC Motorcycle with one key switch design. Transforms into a high-speed flying quadcopter for exciting stunts. 2.4G remote control ensures stable signal and responsive handling. Intelligent functions make it fun and easy to play, an ideal gift toy for kids.
Number 3.
Features: large capacity lithium battery, long-lasting battery life. It can last for 3 hours indoors and 1 hour outdoors. Allowing children to play to the end. A variety of scenes are easily crossed, suitable for driving on a variety of different terrains, and going forward courageously. Deserts, grasslands.
Number 2.
Specifications: high concerned chemical, none, CE, certificate, is electric, lithium battery, model number, ZZ882124, controller mode, mode 2, control channels, 4 channels, motor, brushless motor, scale, 1/28, material, metal, plastic, latex foam, brand name, Topikia.
Number 1.
Main features: 90-degree stunt rear wheel, adapt to flat ground, grass, adapt to corners and drift, full of power, adapt to various terrains, easily climb 45 degrees slopes. The 35 cm long large size body is more attractive and attractive, cool lights, with lights, even in the dark.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.